Ganun. Oh, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day. Come on, let's go. Kasama ko si Ate Felicia.
Hello,
Shopping kami. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful morning.
It's a sunny day. Wow, you see a lot of seagulls. Slowly, walk slowly.
Yeah, we're going to the shop. It's beautiful blue sky. Look at that. Look at the bird. Oh gosh, beautiful. I need to relax for a moment. So how long the short video, Ate Felicia? How long? 3 minutes is okay.
Yeah.
3 minutes? No, that is real. Maybe an hour. No, an hour is short.
Diba dito? Ito kita. Diba dito sa video? Dito sa YouTube natin. Click mo yan.
Yeah, I know.
Ayan lang. Tapusin mo yan. 15
Well,
seconds.
big video. Short, that is short.
Oh, short video. Oh.
I'm doing the video.
Hello guys. Working with Sister Murphy. Are you doing video?
There's a McDonald's
Shout out
there.
everyone.
Shouty, shouty.
Shouty.
We're walking. Oh,
15 seconds. Guys. Kung gusto
I'm
mo,
doing the videos. McDonald's. We're not going to McDonald's too early in the morning. We just had our breakfast. We're just going to do some shopping. And I'm going to buy my bed as well.
I have a breakfast. Porridge.
Porridge I had.
Milk,
Oh, I went to Starbucks for my
milk and cream. And
breakfast.
Honey. That's all.
So look at that. This is a shopping center. What you call this one? I don't know.
You know, I like people here, Sisi, because they are friendly. You see, he's smiling. The girl is smiling.
Of course.
Oh.
And there is no discrimination here. I'm doing 3 minutes videos. We go in here, Sisi,
Oh.
in these stairs. I got 3.
Watch your step slowly. But still, yeah.
We go into Ren kitchen. Okay, it's 3 seconds already. That's it.